And this video is for the new YouTubers out there. I want to talk about banners. Yeah, I want to talk about YouTube banners. I've been doing a lot of research on a lot of things when it comes to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to find better ways to grow it. You know, it's an up and down battle with this here. There's times I get subscribers, there's times I lose them. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with my channel, but all I know is I keep doing research on it to make it get better. And what I want to share with you guys is, do banners make a difference when it comes to, you know, getting views and getting subscribers? I'm going to minimize the screen, and I got some slides of some YouTubers out there, some of you may know, and I want to show you their banners. And the point I'm getting across is YouTube thinks it's very good, and I agree, to have a banner because it tells a little about the creator. But there's a little gray area with that in some cases, because if you don't have such a great banner, people are going to find your videos with the titles and thumbnails. Let's go there, right? Let me minimize the screen. We'll dig a little into this here. I hope you guys will stick around. Okay. I did a Google search, very basic. I said, what does YouTube say about having a YouTube banner? And then it goes on to say here, people also ask, is it important to have a banner on YouTube? And it goes on to say further, a YouTube banner is an important part of any channel's identity, as is the first thing viewers see when they visit your page, and has a significant role in growing a YouTube channel. It should be an eye-catching and represent the content you're producing in a positive light. And then when you scroll down over here, you'll see a whole bunch of other little stories over here, you know, the YouTube recommendations for a banner, the 25 by 60 by 1440 pixels and so on. Over here, what is a good YouTube channel banner? Your YouTube banner should include your brand tagline and slogan, a sneak peek into what viewers can expect from your channel, a logo if appropriate, high quality images, readable text, on-brand colors and fonts, a call to action. Okay? Why is a banner important? Banner ads an image-based rather than a text-based and are a popular form of online advertising. The purpose of a banner advertising is to promote a brand or to get visitors from the host websites to go to the advertiser's website. Okay, that's just one of the things. But if you look more here, you could read it yourself. Just type in that thing and just say, you know, what I just told you before. Why does YouTube say? What does YouTube say about a YouTube banner? Okay, and then it goes on here. But we're not gonna dig that much. I'm not gonna sit there, you know, getting all into that. Let me show you over here. Here is a banner from people who may know, may not. I find it very hard if you've never heard of them. Mr. Beast. This gentleman is very successful. He's got 210 million subscribers and growing. His channel is entertainment, and he started in 2012. I started a year after him. I'm just saying, right? I even got more videos than him, but he's got other channels, so it doesn't make a difference. It doesn't do anything for me either. Look at his banner. Subscribe for a cookie. That's his banner. How about this one here? Another person you might have heard of him. Casey Neistat. Look at his. He's got over 12 million subscribers. His channel type is people. He started in 2010. He's got paint cans here for a banner. How about this person? Emma Chamberlain. She used her regular name for a banner. Doesn't say anything. Her channel type is entertainment. She started in 2016. Now the information I'm posting here is all from Social Blade, so it's not like it's, you know, anything, you know, that can't be shown here. And all you got to do is go to socialblade.com, type in the person's name or your YouTube channel name, whatever, and it'll bring this information up. And then last but not least, PewDiePie, who has 111 million subscribers. He started in 2010, and his channel type is games. And then you got little old me, who's a little descriptive and tells you what I'm all about. I'm an online reseller, entrepreneur, vlogger, and those 3 little words I put there: help, inspire, and share. I did this myself. It's not professional, but it gets the point. As you can see, I started back in 2013. My channel type is entertainment, and I'm pushing, well, I already have 1,844 uploads, right? I was hoping to get the 2,000 mark before the new year, but that's not going to happen, but that's okay. Now, I also typed in ChatGPT, and this is what they had to say. Do YouTube channel banners really help? Yes, YouTube channel banners can be valuable for several reasons. I'm just going to read the highlights, folks. First impressions, branding, informational, professionalism, recognition, and promotion. I will read the bottom part. When creating a YouTube channel banner, it is essential to keep in mind that the recommended dimensions, and it ensures that it looks good on various devices: desktop, tablets, mobile. Additionally, regular updating your banner to reflect changes in your content or branding can keep your channel fresh and engaging. Overall, while a banner alone might not guarantee success, it's certainly a useful tool in presenting your channel in the best possible light and engaging your audience. Now, I'm all for, good banners and stuff like that. And the reason why I showed you those other banners is not to, say anything negative about them. The only thing I will say in regards to that there, when it comes to creating a banner, is try to be more informational. Give people a little heads up as to, what your channel is all about. But the other part I want to bring out to you guys is this. Regarding a banner, the banner is important, but what people end up finding your videos when they do go to your channel, they're going to see they're going to look at your thumbnails and titles, which are very important. And I think they play a big important role when it comes to getting a lot of views and hopefully getting subscribers. So my thing is, create your banners, and this information is for the new YouTubers out there. Create good banners, be informational. Like I said, my banner, is decent. I didn't have somebody create it for me. I did it on my own, and I think it gets right to the point. Okay, as you can see there, very basic, but again, you know what I'm all about. The thing is, in closing this video, even if you don't have an informative banner, people, when they do go to your YouTube channel, whether it's just a picture or a name, whatever, people are going to see your thumbnails and titles, right, that you created with those videos, and I believe that alone is what's going to get you to get a lot more views and subscribers. I'm not knocking the process of having a good banner. You should have it, like I said again, but the point I'm trying to get across is these are successful YouTubers out there. All right, the ones I'm showing you all have millions of subscribers, and that's probably why I don't have to really, I'm not saying don't worry about it, but for a new YouTuber or somebody that just signed up with YouTube or whatever, or just happens to check it out for the first time, they may go to that there, and the banner is the banner. It's just on the page. You know what I'm saying? When you click on my video, if you go to my videos, you're going to see this banner, and you're going to see all the videos below it. What's going to make a difference is, again, the thumbnails and titles. So I guess the point I'm getting across is create a banner, but the most important thing is the good thumbnails and titles. I think that's what's going to get people to engage with your videos. All right, I've been on this platform since 2013, 10 years now, still learning, still doing my research, and I'm going to share information with you guys out there, and I hope that you guys are going to take away from this video and all the other videos I put out. I like to talk about different things. My YouTube channel, for all intents and purposes, it's it's an open forum. That's why I have over there Online Resale Entrepreneur Vlogger. I added that to the banner because I don't like to just stick with one particular topic. I am an online reseller. I've been with eBay for 24 years. That's probably why I got that book. But I like to talk about, I do the reseller news and I do the Let's Talk eBay. But even with this channel, even though I added those other two things to the mix, it all relates to one another. It's there to help. If you're an online reseller, the information I put out should be helpful to you. And the information I put about, starting a YouTube channel should be also helpful to you guys. All right. So, and the most important thing I just want to say in closing this video is that you get a takeaway from it. Even if it's a little takeaway, it means a lot, And I'm going to keep doing these videos. I'm going to keep sharing information with you guys. And if you are starting out, you're a new YouTuber out there, and you're getting ready to put your videos out, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck and the best success. Go out there, put out those videos. You guys could do this here. Don't listen to the naysayers. I know you could do this. If it's working for me, it's definitely going to work for you guys. I'm a small YouTuber. And, I don't know if I'll ever hit that threshold of 100,000 subscribers to get that silver play button, or even the million subscribers to get the gold play button. But you know what? I'm in for the long haul, and I'm going to keep putting videos out. And I hope that, again, you guys will never give up on your dreams. Remember this, folks. In order for a dream to come true, you got to have a dream. And if this is one of your dreams, it's one of mine. I know that. I'm never going to give up. And I hope you guys don't either. But anyway, I will talk to you guys the next time. Have a great day. Good luck. Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share if you like this video or any of my videos. And if you want to be notified as to when I post new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Until next time, bye-bye.